Hi, I'm King Jim Corpus, and today I'm taking you inside in PCCR Lab to show how science supports criminology. I'm most excited to try this laboratory because it brings science and criminology together in a hands-on way. The idea of working in a real PCCR lab where forensics evidence like DNA is processed makes the learning experience feels authentic and purposeful. It's not just theory anymore. It's training for the real world. I expect to gain technical skills in handling biological samples, understanding DNA amplification, and maintain contamination-free procedures. I also develop discipline, attention to details, and confident in using scientific equipment, all essential for forensic work. These skills will help me become a more competent and credible criminologist. And knowing how to process and analyze evidence properly ensures eh, that investigations are accurate and just. It also prepares me to collaborate with forensic experts and contribute meaningfully to solving case and upholding the law.